Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. We're on this 2024 Grady-White 307 Freedom. And I say sea glass green. Why do we custom paint the engines? Just look at this beautiful boat. You've got twin Yamaha 300 4-strokes, custom painted with the cream and the sea glass mohawk. Let's go into the boat. As you look, we're under this beautiful, extensive sure shade. What that's going to do is keep the family out of the sun. Hey, the kids say it's time to go home. We put the shade out for the family. Women, they love to lay out. Look at this. We got dual loungers. You can actually sit in this one. Oh, you can come over here and you can stretch out in this one. It's great for the wife and the kids. Let's make our way up to the helm station. We have already done your electronics. This is going to have dual Garmin 8612s. Why two screens? Because one screen's not enough. Two screens, you got your GPS on one, you got your fish finder on the other. And wait, there's more. Helmmaster by Yamaha joystick. Set point to hold you in one spot. So you as the captain can easily put your lines and fenders out before you come into the dock. Let's go up to the bow area. Oh, don't forget the bow block off door. This is great on those cold days. Close the door, close the windshield, and you can ride in style. Up here in the bow, extensive loungers with a full sun pad casting platform. What that's going to do, the wife, the kids, everybody can lay out here in suntan while you fish in the back of the boat. That concludes our walkthrough of this 2024 Grady-White 307 Freedom. For more content like this, like and subscribe to our MarineMax YouTube channel.